Dahil nasangkot ang asawa ni Heart Evangelista na si Senator Chis Escudero sa flood control anomaly, pati ang mga kayamanan ngayon ni Heart ay kinukwestiyon ng maraming netizens. Kaya naman sa post ni Attorney Regal Oliva, doon ay ipiniliwanag niya ang separation ng assets ni na Heart at Chis na pinirmahan nila bilang prenuptial agreement. Ayon sa attorney, Heart Evangelista is upset, shut out of fashion weeks in Milan and Paris, just as her husband, former Senate President Chis Escudero, faces the heat of a flood control corruption scandal. Hart earned her global spotlight but now finds herself caught between public scrutiny and personal ambition. Many forget that under Article 74 of the Family Code, Hart and Chis signed a prenup for complete separation of property. What he earns is his, what she earns is hers. The law is clear. Article 143 says each spouse manages and owns their own assets. So those luxe designer bags and sparkling jewelry Hart flashes in social media, they're hers alone legally and financially. Yet as Hart dazzles the world online, her homeland is literally underwater. As style floods her social feed and actual floods inundate Filipino communities, it's impossible not to recall Marie Antoinette's legendary indifference on people hungry in the streets. Let them eat cake. Kaya naman napareact ang maraming netizens sa post na ito. Ayon sa kanila, "Thank you so much for this well-written blog, attorney. Thank you for choosing to spread the truth even knowing that you feel face a lot of hatred from narrow-minded people. Thanks for using your page to spread what is right. I always spread the same information as yours but was never seen and noticed just because I am not well-known individual." Sabi pa ng isa, "Let's focus on Cheese, not Heart. The woman earned her reputation and dignity out of her own fame even before she joined the man." Nakita din naman nila gaano kasipag si Hart magtrabaho kahit mayaman na siya. Kaloka naman ng mga taong ibaling kay Hart ang corruption. Itong mga loyalist, mostly nakikita ko din na drug talaga si Hart. I'm not a fan of her but her wealth, pinaghirapan niya yon. Kasi bata pa lang yan, artista niyan, what more ngayon na nagmo-model pa sa Paris and her endorsements, etc. May trabaho siya unlike mga anak ng politiko, jobless but grabe ang lavish lifestyle. Hart may not be legally tied to her husband's controversies, but in the eyes of the public, often outweigh the fine print of the law. The challenge for her now is how to balance personal ambition with the weight of public perception. Politics and perception always collide. Hart is Hart bago pa naging sila ni Cheese. Yan ang pinagkakakitaan niya. Bumibili nga ng ukay-ukay yan, makaporma lang. Hart is well paid. She doesn't need the husband to buy her bags and shoes. The husband might be jealous of her because she's earning good, so he has to make good earnings too. The wife's role should be reminding always the husband to be an honest citizen. Cheese has a daughter on his first marriage. It's where Cheese spent his money too, and I'm sure he does give expensive gifts to his wife on special occasions. Which Filipino husband doesn't give his wife a beautiful gift on birthdays, Christmas, anniversaries? That's not Heart's fault. She's not showing off, it's her work. She's into high fashion. Most of those branded, high-end things are loaned and lent, and even gifts to her for promotion, etc. If she owns some, she works for it. Keep her out of his husband's politics, no judgment. Hart is beautiful, very hardworking, and very successful internationally and locally. The only problem is she married a politician. But I believe she having a good heart and good works ethics will surpass all her current turmoil and will soar even higher. This article will open the minds of other Filipinos who's criticizing Heart Evangelista. Sa puntong ito ay marami pa ring netizen ang sumusuporta kay Heart Evangelista sa kabila ng mga issue na kinakaharap dahil na rin sa kanyang asawa na si Senator Chis Escudero.